Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another eyeshadow look. Y'all know I'm not a makeup artist, but I am thriving to do my makeup better and learn how to do eyeshadow better. So these videos are just me practicing. So anyways, what I'm doing now is just basing my eyelid with concealer and a white eyeshadow. This is the look that's inspired, so I'm going to try to recreate this look. Now, the palette that I'm using is called Under the Sea. It's by NK Makeup. I got this from my beauty supply store. I have another review on just the palette, and I will list that below. But I really like this palette. So I just went in with the brown, and I have hooded lids. So instead of applying the eyeshadow to my crease, I'm going to go a little bit above that, and then I'm going to use my ankle brush just to make a little line above my crease, and then I'm going to blend it in. Now this is something new that I'm trying, and I like it. I like the way it worked. I like the look it gave me. So yeah. So I've learned that with eyeshadow, you have to kind of build what you want, kind of work your way up. So that's why I'm just adding like a little bit of brown at a time, just to go ahead and build the color that I'm going for. So yeah. Alright, so this palette is the 23 Perfect Matte Color palette. You can get this at your beauty supply store too. And I'm just going to go in with a darker brown, the same area that I did before. And I'm not going to go all the way to the inside of my eye this time. I'm going to go like from the outer corner to like the middle part of my eye, just to kind of give it like a transition. So the next color that I'm going to go in with is a black, because I don't have a dark enough brown. And I'm just going to apply it in my outer corner, because that's where the darkest part of the eyeshadow look is. And I'm just going to go ahead and tap that black in, and then slowly kind of transition it up. I'm not going to go all the way to the middle of my eye when I blend this. I'm just kind of gonna just blend it out, just softly blend it out. But I don't want it to go like all the way to the corner of my eye, if that makes sense. But I'm gonna also, when it comes to my lid, I'm gonna bring it in a little bit toward the middle on my bottom lid, and that's just gonna give me that dark outer corner look. Alright, so I'm going to put some concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to use it to prep for my color that I'm going to use, which is going to be yellow. And I'm just going to outline where I want my yellow at, so that the yellow will pop. Now, the reason that I'm using concealer and I'm going to put some like white what's it called, eyeshadow over as well, is because I want the yellow to really pop. And if you want something to pop, you put it on white or on a lighter color. So instead of jumping right on into the yellow, I'm going to get this burnt orange color and I'm going to use it as a transition color, starting from like where the black or the dark brown, whatever you want to call it, ends. I'm just going to tap a little bit of that there just to help with transitioning. I don't want it to just jump from black to yellow. Kind of want it to blend, like, I want a nice flow, a nice blend. So I'm just going to pat that there. And then once I'm done with that, then I'm going to go back in with the yellow and I'm going to apply the yellow on my lid. Now I tap the yellow on because I wanted most of it to stay on my eyelid. And now what I recommend is just slowly build to the color you want. As you can see, when I first put it on, it wasn't as pigmented, so I had to add more yellow to it to make it pop a little bit more. Alright, so now I'm just going to lightly blend the tip of the black with the orange and the tip of the yellow. I'm not going to go all the way in to blend like all the colors together because I really want that yellow to pop. So now once I got my lid blended, I'm just going to go ahead and, girl, put on a little wig or whatever. Now for me, when I do my wigs or my lace front, I only do the parts that you'll be able to see. So, with that being said, that's why I put my Got to Be glue spray in the front of my head. As you can see, I'm pressing it down with my little brush comb or whatever. And then the sides, they'll be okay because, like, they're not going to be showing or whatever. So, yeah, I just do that. This is a quick way to lay your wigs, but it's only temporary. It doesn't hold that long. So, yeah, girl. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my lighter body and do like some little edges or baby hairs, whatever you want to call them. And I'm just gonna do something simple. I just need something to go with my makeup. I'm not really too much stressing the hair, but I was more so stressing the makeup. So I just swoop my little edges to the side, girl. Nothing hard, just swoop, swoop. So right here, what I did was just went in with a lighter, not a lighter color, but like a brown eyeshadow just to blend the lace. And I'm going to tie my lace down and finish the rest of my face so that can be drying while I finish the rest of my face. Now the foundation stick that I'm using is by Juvias Place, and I'm also using her I Am Magic foundation as well. So I'm using both of the foundations and I'm just blending them together. The lighter color I put in the inside of my face. The darker color, as you can see, I put on the outside. And then I'm just going to use my beauty blender to go ahead and blend it in. Now, of course, with the beauty blender, you want to make sure that it's damp so that it'll evenly apply. And it's just way more easier to apply it that way. Now, these lashes, y'all. These are the lashes that I'm going to be selling. They come in a multi-pack of 5. I have 3 different styles. I'm going to show you guys the other styles in a more detailed videos, but I'm going to be selling these on Amazon. So once I am ready to actually launch them and they're available for order, I'm going to let you guys know. But this is just a sneak peek of the style that I have. And this, I have to say, this is my favorite eyelash style. The other two are very gorgeous as well, but this one is just like a dramatic look and I really like it. So I hope you guys like it as well. And yeah, girl, they're easy to apply, very light, and it gives you that dramatic Instagram look. Like I said, you get 5 pair and they're going to be super affordable. All right, so now I'm just gonna add a little glow, a little pop, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of gold to both of my cheeks and my nose just to get that popping, that highlight popping for y'all or whatever. And yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys learned something from this video. Let me know what y'all think about this eyeshadow look. I will be trying more eyeshadow makeup looks, and thank you.